Okay, students, in this video, I am going to explain about example 1.23. Very easy sum. This model we already did in exercise 1.38 sum. So, exercise 1.38 sum and this sum almost same model. Okay. Find the range of the function f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x. Students, I already told what is domain and range. Domain means the input values that you are going to give to the function, that is the values of x accepted by the function, that is known as the domain. But range is what? Output values. So what is the maximum value of cos x, minimum value of cos x you have to take, then you have to get this expression step by step. So that is the meaning. Directly you cannot find the range, there are certain steps you need to follow. Okay, so first you have to take minimum and maximum value of cos x, then step by step you have to get this expression. Same model, ditto model we did in a exercise also. Okay, so first one, we'll see the solution now. See, cos x lies between 1 and minus 1 and 1, that everybody knows. So minus 1 less than or equal to cos x, less than or equal to 1. Now next step you have to think carefully. Here I have to get minus 3 cos x because it is there. Then I can add 1. Okay. Now how will I get minus 3 cos x? Multiply throughout the equation by minus 3. So whenever you multiply with a negative sign, inequality sign will change. Less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. I already told. Okay, for example, 3 is greater than 4. Okay, when you multiply minus 3, you cannot write greater than minus 4. Reverse only it will come. Minus 4 greater than minus 3. That means, if you multiply with the negative sign, this inequality changes. Inequality changes. So, that's why here you have to change the inequality. So, minus into minus plus 3 greater than or equal to, less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to minus 3 cos x greater than or equal to minus 3 because 1 into minus 3. So, we got this minus 3 cos x step. What about next one? You need to add 1. You see here 1 minus 3 cos x. So, adding 1 to the inequality. So, it becomes 1 plus 3 greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 cos x greater than or equal to 1 minus 3. So, it is 4 greater than or equal to 4 means 1 plus 3 4 greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 cos x greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay. So, now you have to separate into intervals. How will you separate this into intervals? Same model we did. First we will take this one first. Okay. Then we will take this one next. So, separate. So, now 4 greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 cos x. So, same technique. A greater than or equal to B. Or B less than or equal to A. So, 1 minus 3 cos x less than or equal to 4. Directly reciprocal step also you can write. Or one more step. That is up to you. Okay. So, now 1 by 1 reciprocal now. 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x greater than or equal to 1 by 4 because we are taking reciprocal. Okay. That concept also last video I told. If you take the reciprocal also inequality sign changes. Definitely changes. Okay. So, 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x greater than or equal to 1 by 4. That means what? What is the range of this one? Greater than or equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 lo irkala or greater than 1 by 4 means up to infinity. So, what is the x value means x belongs to, since greater than or equal to is there 1 by 4 comma infinity. Students, I already told whenever infinity comes, you should not put closed bracket. Okay. So, what is the meaning is 1 by 4 you can take, but more than 1 by 4 but less than infinity. Okay. That's why it is closed interval because greater than or equal to sign is there. Suppose in the equal to sign kadiyadana inga open interval da varum. Adukkulla artham. Okay. But the equal to sign is there. That's why you should put 1 by 4. So, this part we finished. What about the next part? This one. Then we will combine both for the output, for the range. So, 1 minus 3 cos x greater than or equal to minus 2. So, if I take the reciprocal 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x less than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, because this inequality sign changes. Greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to. So less than or equal to means what? Less than minus 1 by 2, but equal to sign also there. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 irukla, adu keela irukadella values me. So minus 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 less than means minus infinity varaku pola ninge. So minus infinity comma minus 1 by 2, here it is closed because equal to sign is there. So from this inequality x belongs to this interval, from this inequality x belongs to this interval. So what is the range means? Combine both these values. Okay, this interval also x can take, this interval also x can take. That's why union of these two intervals. So range of f is minus infinity minus 1 by 2. First I am writing negative values, union, then positive values, 1 by 4 comma infinity. Okay students, so this model we already did exercise 1.38 problem. So while preparing both the problems you prepare so that it becomes very easy for you. Okay, so first you take maximum value and minimum value, then multiply with minus 3, inequality changes, then add 1 to get this expression, then you separate it into two parts, then you take the reciprocal, then you will get the answer. Similarly here also, you take this part, then you will get the answer. So this is the procedure. So step by step if you remember, it is very easy for you. Okay students, so if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.